Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's Art. Today we are going to make a resin tray. For this we need a wooden tray. This is a solid wood tray. We need resin and hardener. Resin is in two parts, A and B. So we need a weighing machine. This is my weighing machine. We need some sticks to mix the resin. We need old cloth so that we can keep on wiping our hands. And we'll make sure that there is no water around because resin and water are not friends at all. So let's start. This is my art resin. In this, I have to use two parts of resin with one part of hardener in a plastic container by weight. Then I have to stir well for 5 to 7 minutes, mix it thoroughly, and then pour the mixture within 30 minutes. Pour evenly throughout the surface. And for curing, I have to keep it in dry and dust free area while it cures. It will harden up to 12 hours and it will be fully cured in 24 hours. So, what I don't touch it for next 24 hours. Now, this is my weighing machine. I will take a glass here. It's a plastic glass, disposable. We'll take its weight, it's 0. And my calculation is roughly, we need 80 gram for one tray. This is a 12-inch tray. So I'm going to pour roughly 50 grams of resin. So it's 50.2. And now I'm going to use 50.3. 25.2 I will take. So total will be 75.6. We got 75.4. Now next step is to mix it for 6 minutes. They say 5 to 7 minutes, but with my experience, I feel if we mix it roughly 6-7 minutes, then curing is always better. So I'm going to use a stirrer and I will mix it for 6 minutes. So we have to mix it thoroughly. We can see it has become cloudy. Bubbles are also formed, which we can blow later on or we can prick them so that they will be settled. Our 6 minutes are over, so we have mixed it. To be on safer side, I'll churn it 1 more minute. Okay. Now I divide it into different parts. White. Then this I want to keep gold. And this one I will keep for purple. As you all know, resin is very, very expensive. So each drop is important for us. So my first paint is purple ultraviolet. It's Epoch Companies. My paints are ready. three colors: white, violet, and gold. I'm going to start with the violet. Now, I'll hold the tray with the cloth and I'm going to spread it. So our basic layer is ready. Now I'm trying to make a design in it. So I use white paint. This is done. I'll use this old discarded brush to give the correct shape. Now, our next color is gold. My calculation is that roughly we need 80 gram for one tray. 80 gram of resin mixture for one tray. So our tray is ready. I will leave it for 24 hours untouched. I won't touch it so that the curing will be done properly. Everything I have taken by weight. Please make sure that you are weighing everything. Your level is balanced. There's no difference in level. If there's a difference in the level, then we will not get our painting correct. And in the meantime, we will have to check that if there are any bubbles, then we have to diffuse them. I hope you like the tutorial. Thank you for watching, subscribing and liking my YouTube channel Vandana's Art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.